Let us find a solution to this simple bearing question. X started walking straight towards the south. After 5 meters of walking, he turned left and walked for 3 meters. He then turned right and walked for 5 meters. In which direction is X facing now? If you don't want to fail this question, you should consider X as yourself, not someone coming towards you. All right, because if this is my right, remember, as you are facing me, your left hand side will correspond to my right hand side. So we have different direction talking about right. Remember, we have the cardinal points, the north, the south, the east, and the west. So let us analyze this question. Mr. X, I'm going to consider myself as Mr. X, walking straight towards the south. So, towards the south. As I am moving 5 meters, I then what? Turn left. This is my left hand side. Therefore, I have to turn like this and move towards what? The east. For what? 3 meters. Then what? Turn right. This is my right hand side. I'm going to turn like this as well and keep moving towards the south again. So look at the pattern. Straight towards the south for 5 meters. Then turn left for 3 meters. Then, you know, this is going to be my left hand side. This is my right hand side. They said I turn right. So this is where I'm turning to for what? 5 meters again. So last, this is the south. So therefore we say that X is facing the south. But what if you consider X as someone coming towards you? Just look at it. Towards the south, he turned what? Left. This is going to be your left towards the west. And towards the west for 3 meters, he then turned what? Right. And this is going to be your right hand side, which is towards the east, which is very wrong. You have to consider X as yourself moving towards the south, towards the left hand side, then towards the right hand side, which is finally facing the south. Yes.